Our entire global economic system has recently seen larger and quicker advancements than ever before. Few technologists or economists can confidently describe how they see the economy 20 years from now. I did say a few years, 9 given the dominance of new technologies. New opportunities are being explored, and industries that we had never considered before are emerging. But before we get into that, I just want to say a quick hi and welcome you guys to Blue Collar Investing. Personal finance and investing for the average Joe. Discover the path to success in the world of finance and learn how you're gonna make it even with your own 9-to-5 job. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up before we proceed to the video. The most important consideration in deciding whether to follow a certain job or make investments in one area over another will be your ability to predict these developments. We reasoned that we should all envision the ship traveling in the same direction at this point. So these are the top 14 emerging industries for the future. Number 1. Internet of Things. The majority of us used the internet in the past only while we were using computers. Then, a few years ago, it started appearing on our cell phones, and then our gaming consoles. Now today, we are moving in a direction where we won't need to declare that we are online any longer. I did not anticipate that. Nearly everything we use, both inside and outside, including our refrigerators, washing machines, power supplies, and home security systems, will be connected to the internet. Actually, practically the entire internet will be a part of the Internet of Things. So useful! Number 2. Artificial intelligence. Google tracks our habits. Facebook collects data about our preferences. We ask Siri to direct us to restaurants nearby. And we let Amazon lead us around the extensive digital markets aisles. The machines have made enormous strides in creating a true human consciousness ever since they started learning for themselves. Number 3. Security. 2 industries that will increasingly rely on computer systems for our entire existence have previously been discussed. More cyber attack vulnerability will result from that. Hackers are already capable of breaking into bank accounts, stealing sensitive government data, shutting down entire businesses, and obtaining our personal information. Now, our only hope for future real security is thus the cybersecurity sector. As more aspects of our daily lives become interconnected, it will therefore become even more crucial. Our main defense against the visions of humanity's future becoming actual horrors is this industry. Number 4. Genomics. The US-based Human Genome Project, which had started in 1990 and was finally successful in decoding and mapping the human genetic code in 2003, had been underway for exactly 15 years. The $3 billion project's price tag. If products had cost that much, there wouldn't be much chance for the sector because few people would have been ready to commit to something that pricey. However, the cost of genome sequencing now is only about $1,000. With heavyweights like Bill Gates and Google riding on its bandwagon with billions of dollars in funding, the field of genomics is currently at its most vibrant state. Number 5 is drones. Drone technology is currently getting more and more accessible, much like genomics, which we just described. Drones used to be merely novelty objects that the majority of us only linked with warfare in the recent past, and the bomb-dropping missile was just a precaution. Today, drones are already playing a significant role in routine non-military operations including journalism, photography, and Amazon's use of term for delivery. There is literally no limit to the potential drone applications. Number 6 is robotics. Robots have been joining the workforce in factories and warehouses at an increasing rate for a number of years. Sophia, the Saudi Arabian humanoid, is now here. That was the first robot to actually obtain citizenship in a country. Now in Japan, robots are also used to amuse the elderly in nursing facilities. Number 7, virtual world. There is a ton of applications that may be made possible by being able to recreate specific scenarios and environments without incurring the expenses and risks of doing so in real life. Military groups are already using VR technology to educate their troops. And we also have people who are playing video games and taking driver's license exams through this virtual world. Number 8, nanotechnology. The future of our species depends in innumerable ways on developments in the field of nanotechnology. There is now a lot of research being done in this area, with applications in anything from agriculture and up to medicine. Researchers are looking into the potential use of nanotechnology for accelerating bone cell growth, the identification of malignant cells, the development of surfaces that clean themselves, and the adoption of healthier and more effective irrigation techniques. Have you heard of nanotech? Do you like it? Well, that is number 9. Sustainable power. Because of the climate change that is occurring as a result of our 2 centuries of using fossil fuels as our main source of energy, an increasing number of individuals have been entering an ever-increasing state of existential fear. As more people become aware of the seriousness of the problem posed by global warming, governments, businesses, and private citizens are moving toward relying on renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Number 10, sharing economy. In the future, we probably won't own much goods at all. We are realizing that renting is frequently more cost-effective and practical than owning anything. We are here to deliver the court's eviction order to you. Okay, as more individuals use sharing services like Uber and Airbnb for renting out real properties, we have been doing it more and more when it comes to automobile rides as well. Today, more firms are embracing their new sharing paradigm with apps developed for renting out office space, recreational boats, and home appliances. Number 11 is e-learning. As we go toward a future where invention will be more important than formal college degrees, and where the worth of your knowledge will be determined by what you can create rather than by the degrees you hold. And finally, e-learning is unquestionably the way of the future of education, made possible by all the technology we just listed. In the not-so-distant future, e-learning will overtake traditional classroom instruction as more people use the internet than ever before. VR technology and artificial intelligence applications become more prevalent in our daily lives. And so, more customizable and effective learning experiences are developed. Number 12, big data. You probably noticed that almost all of the industries we mentioned rely on data in some form. Artificial intelligence systems learn from data. Therefore, having reliable data will be the first step in making our economic decisions more efficient. Whoever can gather data and has the tools to analyze it will be a key player in the economy of the future. Number 13, we have 3D printing. A variety of materials are now available for 3D printing, or three-dimensional printing. allowing people to produce stationery and spare parts at home, while also providing businesses with new options for building and auto manufacturing. With the help of this technology, we can see a bright future for democratized manufacturing. And last but not the least, number 14 is blockchain technology. The term blockchain became widely used due to the Bitcoin frenzy that has engulfed the global financial markets in recent years. The decentralized public ledger system is what gives cryptocurrencies their core functionality. But there are many more uses for it than just cryptocurrency. It is without a doubt blockchain based on this technology that has the ability to build the decentralized, comprehensive ecosystem that would facilitate all of the other industries we discussed in a more secure and effective way. And there you have it, folks! If you enjoyed learning about the world of finance through this video, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to also give us a thumbs up so we know how we're doing. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I will see you on the next video.